Would you like the opportunity to win an Air Jordan 1 Electro Orange? All you have to do is 1, give this video a thumbs up, and 2, subscribe. It's as simple as that. The classic from 1985 returns this July, this time in a color blocking never seen before. Buckle your seatbelts, July 17th, the Air Jordan 1 Electro Orange. First and foremost, big shout out to Courtside NC. That's personally where I buy, sell, trade, and consign all my sneakers, and it's a must if you're in the Carolinas. Now let's get into the Air Jordan 1 Retro Electro Orange. This new style of color blocking is known as the original black toe look. Although the ankle and heel are left unmatching, which we've never seen before, making this the first of its kind in terms of the color blocking. And would suspect Jordan Brand will continue to release variety of colorways in this color combination as they continue to expand the retro high OG category. Breaking it down, we receive a white toe box with black overlays known as the black toe look, while black extends up the eyelets of the sneaker. Speaking of the eyelets, the sneaker comes equipped with 3 lace options, whichever you feel stacks up best atop a black nylon tongue with white and orange Nike Air branding. Moving to what makes this Air Jordan 1 the first of its kind, Jordan Brand opted for a white mid panel, white heel, and white wings flap. Topping those off are your Air Jordan wings logo in black and a black Nike swoosh. Now, when it comes to the leather quality and how soft the leather is on the Air Jordan 1 Electro Orange, the most similar Air Jordan, in my opinion, for the quality, the touch of the leather, the durability of it, is the Royal Toe Air Jordan 1. Now, if you were satisfied with what you received material-wise on this sneaker, then you will be satisfied for the Electro Orange. The ankle collar comes equipped in a lightly sparkled electro orange next to a black sock liner. The sneaker comes atop a white midsole and electro orange outsole. Now don't forget, if you would like the opportunity to win the Air Jordan 1 Electro Orange, all you have to do is simply give this video a thumbs up and hit that subscribe button down below. A random winner will be picked very soon, so be sure to come back to see if you do win. And we are going to be giving away more and more sneakers. We gave away Travis Scott 6's Yeezy slides as of recently, and more giveaways are lined up for the future. Be sure to come back for those. Now that's all for today's review of the Air Jordan 1 Retro High OG Electro Orange that will drop on July 17th. God bless and have a great day.